Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Everything Fresh has acquired Meat Experts Limited, an entity based in Bog Walk, St. Catherine. Before now, Everything Fresh's operations were centered around importing and distributing fruits, meats, and other produce. Well, TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Everything Fresh positioning to use more local produce in its operations. Chairman of the company, Gregory Pullen, doing so by acquiring Bog Walk St. Catherine-based Meat Experts.
With the acquisition of Meat Experts, we're going to be taking a lot of pigs from farmers, a lot of cows from farmers, a lot of spices from farmers. Local farmers will see a big boost in their production because of this acquisition.
Everything Fresh spent $50 million to purchase the company. Mr. Pullen says with a planned $30 million upgrade to the facility, the company's sales will be significantly boosted.
This operation here should add anywhere between 400 to 500 million Jamaican dollars to our annual sales in the first year.
And this is just the beginning.
We have another venture, too soon to expound on that, but we anticipate that that venture, when launched, will add another 1 to 1.2 million US dollars to our annual sales.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The RJR Gleaner Communications Group has recorded after-tax profit of $168 million for the October to December 2018 quarter. That's up from the $79 million profit recorded during the same quarter of the previous year. Revenues for the 3 months also increased to $143 million. The company says the revenue increase was driven by its broadcasting services related to major advertising campaigns during the Christmas season. And stock trading ended today with Radio Jamaica emerging as the volume leader. Over 4.7 million Radio Jamaica units traded. The JSE index declined 2,582 points, while the junior market index slipped by 45 points. Among today's winners are Cygnus Credit Investments, 138 Student Living, G West Corporation, Radio Jamaica, and Stanley Motor. On the losing side were Dolphin Cove, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Blue Power Group, Victoria Mutual Investments, and Everything Fresh. Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $134.86. The Canadian dollar closed at $102.27. The pound sold for $171.67, while the euro is selling for $149.61. And finally, oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in March went up by 86 cents to settle at $53.31 a barrel. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.